Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we're going to explain how to add a project to GitHub in a clear and beginner-friendly way. This video will help you upload your local project to GitHub step by step. Step 1. Open your web browser and log into your GitHub account using your web browser, because this gives you access to your repositories and allows you to make changes online. Make sure you are signed in to the correct account before continuing. Step 2. Open the desired GitHub repository where you want to create the folder, as this is the location where your project files are stored, and select New Repository. This option allows you to create a new space on GitHub to store your project files. Step 3. Enter a repository name, add a description if you want, choose public or private, and click on Add README and click Create Repository. This step sets up your project container on GitHub. Step 4. Open the project folder on your computer that you want to upload to GitHub. This folder contains all the files you want to push online. Step 5. Go to the GitHub account and click the Add File button near the top of the repository page, which lets you add new content to your project. Select Uploads Files from the menu, which opens the file editor in your browser. Step 6. Drag your files and folders or choose your folders or files. Step 7. Click Commit Changes, which permanently creates the folder in your repository. Step 8. It takes time to finish adding project files into the newly created repository so your project content is properly placed and organized. This keeps related files grouped together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful Git and GitHub tutorials.